I wanted to give you a status on this concept for mushroom growing in a greenhouse in conjunction with plant growing. So this is a greenhouse that that we incorporated pots for plants. So here's some parsley, for instance, and we're growing in the pots with a mixture of compost and dirt. But adjacent to the pots is just wood chips from the local tree remover. And what we did is we inoculated the wood chips with garden giant mushrooms, wine caps. So what we have are just some mushrooms growing, but these wine caps, it's a synergistic approach. So you can utilize the space you grow for normal plants with the space you're growing for mushrooms, because the mushroom doesn't need sunlight. So it can grow under the shaded portions that the plants provide. So it's not a perfect implementation here. I only water this greenhouse like once a week. So it clearly, I need to be a little bit more attentive. It's just kind of an experiment. But the proof of concept is very clear. It demonstrates for optimal performance, for optimal growth, you can incorporate both a plant growing system with a mushroom growing system within a greenhouse. And the wood chips would otherwise be dumped at the landfill and produce methane. So in this area, it's a little bit more efficient. It's going to decompose into CO2, but through that decomposition process, you can use mushrooms and get a net positive out of it that we can benefit from. So these wine caps are exceptional to eat. They're healthy. It's just a very good overall robust and holistic process of sustainable living. So it makes really good sense. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I think it's working just as planned. This is an example of spaghetti sauce in a bag. I think this is the future for agriculture, having local, independent, carbon neutral, and sustainable food production in our backyards or community space.